Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel.
Hello. We are so happy you are here with us today.
As always, I'm Anna,
And I'm David.
and today's episode is going to be very practical, very useful, and maybe a little bit emotional.
Emotional?
Yes, David, because today we're talking about something very serious.
Oh no.
Bad haircuts.
The pain, the tragedy, the trauma.
Have you ever sat in the barber's chair and didn't know how to explain what you wanted?
Yes, and then you just say short, please.
And then it becomes very short.
Too short.
Way too short.
I can see my scalp short.
Exactly. So today's topic is English at the salon and barbershop.
Yes, in this episode, we will teach you all the important English words and phrases you need at the salon and barber shop, from making an appointment to paying and tipping confidently.
By the end of this episode, you will feel confident. You will feel prepared. You will not fear the scissors.
No more haircut fear.
Let's get started.
First, let's talk about the difference between a salon and a barber shop.
Great place to start.
A barber shop usually focuses on men's haircuts. The person who cuts your hair is called a barber.
A barber. Repeat after us. Barber.
Barber.
Very good. A barbershop usually offers simple cuts, fades, buzz cuts, beard trims.
Yes, and often the atmosphere is simple and casual.
Now, a salon usually serves both men and women, but especially women.
The person who cuts your hair in a salon is called a hairstylist or stylist.
Stylist. Repeat. Stylist.
Stylist.
Salons often offer more services: coloring, highlights, blow dry, layers, treatments.
So remember, barbershop, barber, salon, stylist.
Very clear, very simple.
Now let's talk about the first step, making an appointment.
Yes, you usually have two choices: make an appointment or do a walk-in.
Walk-in means you go to the salon without an appointment.
You just walk in. That's why it's called a walk-in.
But sometimes, especially on weekends, they're very busy.
So it's better to make an appointment.
Let's practice how to make an appointment by phone.
Okay, mini role play time.
I'll be the receptionist.
And I'll be the customer.
Ring, ring. Hello, Sunshine Salon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut, please.
Sure. What day would you like?
Do you have anything available on Saturday afternoon?
Yes, we have 3 p.m. available.
That works for me. Thank you.
Excellent.
Notice the key phrases. I'd like to make an appointment.
Do you have anything available?
That works for me.
These are very useful phrases, very natural.
Now let's talk about booking online.
Many salons have websites or apps.
You might see options like haircut, trim, blow dry, color, touch-up.
A trim means cutting just a little bit.
Yes, a trim means just a small cut, not a big change.
If you only want to cut your split ends, you ask for a trim.
Split ends are when the ends of your hair are dry and broken.
Repeat, split ends.
Very good.
Now let's talk about describing what you want.
This is the most important part.
This is where mistakes happen.
Yes, let's start with basic length.
You can say, I'd like it short,
I'd like it shoulder length.
just a little off the top.
Not too short, please.
That phrase is very important. Not too short, please.
Repeat it with emotion. Not too short, please.
Very good.
Now let's talk about layers.
Layers mean cutting different lengths into your hair to give it shape and volume.
Volume means fullness.
You can say, I'd like some layers.
Or can you add layers?
For the front of the hair, we have bangs.
In British English, they say fringe.
Bangs in American English, fringe in British English.
You can say, I'd like bangs.
Or, can you cut a fringe?
Now let's talk about men's styles.
A fade is very popular.
A fade means the hair is very short on the sides and gradually gets longer on top.
Repeat, fade.
Very good.
You can say, I'd like a low fade.
I'd like a high fade.
Or, just a simple fade, please.
Another common style is a buzz cut.
A buzz cut is very short all over.
Very short, almost shaved.
You can say, I'd like a buzz cut.
Easy and clear.
Now, let's imagine you're in the chair.
The stylist might ask, how would you like it today?
That means, what style do you want?
They might ask, how much would you like off?
That means, how much length do you want to cut?
You can answer, just about 2 centimeters.
Or, about an inch.
They might ask, do you want it layered?
Do you want it straight or rounded?
Do you want me to thin it out?
Thin it out means remove some thickness.
Good phrase. Thin it out.
Now, let's do a longer mini role play.
Yes, I'll be the stylist.
I'm nervous already.
Hi, what are we doing today?
Hi, I'd like a trim, please, just a little off the ends.
Sure. About how much?
About 2 centimeters, and can you add some layers?
Of course. Do you want bangs?
No bangs, please, not too short in the front.
Excellent.
That feels good. I feel confident.
Confidence is key. Confidence is everything.
Now, let's talk about washing and blow drying.
The stylist may ask, would you like a wash?
That means washing your hair.
After cutting, they may ask, would you like a blow dry?
Blow dry means drying your hair with a hairdryer and styling it.
You can say, yes, please.
Or, no thank you.
Very polite, very simple.
Now, let's talk about touch-up.
A touch-up is a small fix.
For example, if you color your hair and need to fix the roots.
Roots are the part of your hair near your scalp.
You can say, I need a color touch-up.
Very useful phrase.
Now, let's talk about paying.
When you're finished, they will say the total price.
That'll be $20.
You can say, can I pay by card?
Or, do you accept cash?
In some countries, tipping is common.
A tip is extra money to say thank you.
You can say, keep the change.
Or simply leave some money.
If you're very happy, you can say, I love it.
Or, thank you, it looks great.
Even if it's different than expected.
Anna.
I'm joking. We stay positive.
Always positive.
Let's review some key vocabulary.
Trim.
Layers.
Bangs or fringe.
Fade.
Buzz cut.
Walk in.
Appointment.
Blow dry.
Split ends.
Touch up.
These are powerful words, useful words.
Real life English. Everyday English.
Before we finish, let's do one more full role play from beginning to end.
Great idea.
I'll call the salon.
Ring ring.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut.
Sure. When would you like to come in?
Do you have anything available tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, 4 p.m. is available.
Perfect. That works for me.
Next day at the salon.
Hi, I have a 4 p.m. appointment.
Great, have a seat. What are we doing today?
I'd like a low fade and just a little off the top. Not too short, please.
Of course.
And can you thin it out a little?
Absolutely.
Finished.
That'll be $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you. It looks great.
Perfect English, perfect confidence.
That's what we want for you.
No more sitting silently in the chair.
No more saying anything is fine.
Because anything is not fine.
Be clear, be confident, speak up.
Remember, it's okay to ask questions.
It's okay to show a picture.
Yes, you can say, I'd like something like this.
Very helpful.
English is about communication.
And practice makes progress.
Not perfect, progress.
Say it again.
Practice makes progress.
We hope today's episode helps you feel more confident at the salon or barbershop.
You can do it.
You can speak clearly.
You can explain what you want.
And you can leave with a great haircut and a big smile.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And we'll see you next time on the Daily English Practice channel.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.